Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oscar and I go by Oscar Media UG on my social media platform. In today's video, we are going to design a simple, beautiful boutique flyer. Yeah, that's what we are going to work on today, and you can use the same idea and create other professional designs for your business. So let's get started. So this is our artboard in a square size, which is what we will be working on. Since we are designing a boutique flyer, we will use a model image along with some design elements. So let's first see what we are going to start with. Okay, we are going to look for model image. Let's go to the picture panel and search for fashion model. Since our flyer is about fashion, okay, let's first check through and see what we can use. Mm, I'm not seeing anything that we can use, but let's try different keywords. Let's try African model with the bags. Okay, let's see what we can use. I think this is okay. Let's remove the background from it. Click big remover if you are using a premium version. So let's try to align it in our artboard and we'll scale it a little bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, my next step is I'm going to look for background. Let me look for pink background. Okay, let's choose what we can use. See all. Have to make sure that you have to click there, see all, for you to see all the images at once. Let's use this one. Okay, align it in the artboard. Let's change the position of it. Go to layers. Then you drag it down. Okay, this is okay. Let's scale it and align it. Okay. Okay, this is okay. Go to text panel and select add heading. Drag and drop. After we are going to edit it, let me rename it 2025 luxury. 2025 luxury. Let me change to uppercase. I align it. Let's add a subheading. Let me rename it as trending wares. Now let's balance the text on our artboard and align it. Let's scale it a little bit and align it. Have to make sure that I have balanced our artboard. You can go on and change the font name. Okay, let's look for another font for our heading. Let me go with HK modular. I think that is okay. Okay, let's align it. Let's change our subheading to a lighter font. Let's move the boldness and change the font to a lighter font. Let's use Roboto Regular. I think that is okay. We are trying to balance our text. We are going to change the image. This one doesn't balance well with our design. So let's try another model image. Let's go to picture panel. Let's delete this one and try this one. Remove background. Okay, this is what we have. Scale it. I think this is okay. This is okay for me. Let's balance it. Uh, okay, this is okay. You have to make sure that whenever you make changes to a design, you have to cross check and ensure everything is well balanced. What we are going to do next, we are going to use other image in our design. And for that, we will need a picture frame. So let's go to elements, select a picture frame. Let me use this one. This is okay. This is where we are going to insert our image. Let me duplicate it. Again, I duplicate. I'm going to use those 4 frames. We are going to insert our images inside those frames. Okay, this is okay. Let me add a body text. I have a lot of free space here. Let me add text. Get all the best quality trending wares. Align it. Okay, that is okay. Let me center it and I scale it a little bit. Okay. Let me add the images inside my frame. Let me look for a shoe. Go to picture panel and search for shoe. Let me use this one. Go on and search for trouser. Let me use this. Again, let me look for dress. Let me use this. And this one. Let's zoom in so I can see everything clearly. Now we are going to add a stroke effect to all our photos. Click on these lines where my cursor is. Okay, here in these lines. Then increase the stroke weight to 4. Let's do the same thing on all our pictures. Let's use for 4. Now we are going to add a shape where we are going to place our contact and social media icon. Go to element panel, then search for rectangle shape, then drag and drop it into the artboard. Scale it and center it. Change the color and customize it the way you want it to be. Choose any color of your choice. For my design, I'm going to use gradient to make it more stylish. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, this is our design. Now we are going to add our contacts and social media icons on the shape. Let's duplicate this text and then we customize it. Insert your contact details. Let me put my contact. Now let's change the color to white. Okay, duplicate it one more time and edit the text for last one. Okay, that is fine. Okay, let's align the text inside the shape and add Instagram icon. Let's search for it. Drag and drop it. Change its color to white and align it. Perfect. This is nice. Now let's assume we already have a logo for our business. For this demo, let's get any logo to use in our design. Go to Elements panel, search for logo. Okay, choose any logo of your choice. I will place mine here as an example. Okay, this is nice. Okay, as you can see, the design is not well balanced. So to fix this, I'm going to break this word into 2 lines and then I increase it. Okay, remember you always have to be creative. We can also add the shape behind our body text to create more contrast. Let's duplicate this. Let's crop it and we fit it on our text. Okay, this is okay. Let's change the color of it. Let me use this. Let me change the color of this one also. Okay, I think that is enough. This is our design, but it looks very plain. Let's add an effect to the backgrounds to make our design look more attractive. Let's add this image. Let's scale it and fit it in our artboard. Let's change our pattern to create some effect. Okay, hope you can see that effect. Yeah, that's how you can blend two images to create an effect. by adjusting the opacity. Okay, let's add one more effect called the lens flare. Search for it in Elements panel and drop it into your artboard. Scale it and adjust it until it creates a nice effect on your design. As you can see on mine, it has added a glowing light effect to the picture of our model. So that is it. Let's keep the design simple for now. In our next video, we will learn on how to create more beautiful effects, styles our design, and even add effects to our text. So that's all for today. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to share your thoughts and comment what you will love to learn next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.